Hi, this is Mike from Automotive Engineering's Auto Repair in Mesa, Arizona, 1750 North Rosemont, Suite 111. And we're doing a video today, how-to video on summer heating and preparing your car for the summer, and some tips that you want to avoid and want to do, and other things you want to avoid. We happen to have one of our Jaguar customers here today that blew a hose. That's what all this is, all over the motor. And they didn't have any cooling maintenance done. The hoses were about 4 years old. If your hoses, and your belts for that matter, if they're over 4 years old, it's time to change them, because the rubber in this climate just doesn't like it when it's 118 out. It dries them out and they get rotted, and then you end up going down the road and having a hose blow like this and have to get towed in. Okay, if you ever have to add coolant to your vehicle, make sure it's cool and not under pressure. The best way to check for pressure is you can take your upper radiator hose, and like this car just came in and it's solid, not too much, but it's still pretty hard to press. You should be, if it's got pressure in it and you can't compress it like that, do not open up the radiator cap to add coolant. Wait till it's cooled down. Another thing to check is look for any kind of small leaks that you might have under your car when you pull out from your driveway. If you notice something wet on the floor, if it's not oil, sometimes cooling system, that's a good warning that that you have something going on with the cooling system. Maybe a hose is starting to leak, or you got a water pump that's leaking. It'll start off initially with a small leak where you just see little drops or little puddles on the floor, and then it'll progressively get worse. And also, if you're having to add coolant to your reservoir all the time, that's telling you something's going on. You need to get it looked at. Come on by, mention this video, and we'll give you a free inspection on your belts and hoses and make sure everything is as it should be.